Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the image and display match. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Background and choose Picture. Pick the original high-res file, not a web thumbnail. Next, open System Display and set display resolution to the recommended /native value. This prevents automatic upscaling that blurs images. Once done, make sure scaling is reasonable. Extreme scaling like 150% can soften wallpapers, so choose native resolution, and a scaling that keeps UI readable without enlarging the image. Now refine how Windows displays the file. In Background, select Choose a Fit. Fill keeps the screen covered but crops. Center preserves sharpness if image matches resolution. Span stretches one image across multiple displays. Use a high-quality JPEG or PNG exported at the monitor's native pixel size and correct aspect ratio. Compressed or small images will be rescaled and blur. For multi-monitor setups, use individual files, sized per monitor, or a single wide image, with matching combined resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. Finish by clearing Windows theme cache so the fresh file is used. Close Settings. Open File Explorer to %app/Microsoft/Windows/themes, delete transcoded wallpaper. JPG, then restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in. If the wallpaper still appears blurry, recreate or export the image at the exact native resolution and reapply. Also test with scale set to 100% to rule out scaling issues and check HDR or GPU scaling settings. If problems continue, try a different high-quality image to isolate file versus system causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.